Hello and welcome here. In today's video, I'm sharing with you all 10 DIY activity ideas which are gonna be super fun for your kids to do at home, and I'm sure you will enjoy it too. And I have also made sure that you can find all the supplies at home. So now without further ado, let's get started. The very first one is a tissue rainbow. For this, you will need a bigger tissue or just take two, divide it into sections and ask your child to color basically into rainbow colors only in the ends. Then you have to dip the ends in the two containers just like this, how I'm showing over here, and slowly you will start seeing the colors is getting all over the tissue, and it creates this beautiful ombre shades. It's so much fun to watch. You can even dry and frame it. The next one is super fun painting of balloon. For this, you will need a bigger sheet or cartoon paper, whatever you have, and then you can write any letter, number. So we decided to go with navy. It can be a very fun decor for your kids' room as well. So all you have to do is write and then use a masking tape or tape which can prevent the color from not getting on the name. So this is what we are doing over here. It takes a little bit of time, but then you have to give a balloon and a lot of colors in the plate, and ask your child to use the balloon as a stamp, damp it into the color and then color with the balloon. It's super fun. In the time lapse, it was looking like it is very easy task, but it takes a lot of time, so it keeps your kids busy for very long. And yeah, once it is dry, it's time to rip off all the tapes. It again takes time, but it looks super fun. You can do it on a nice sheet and use it as the decor, as I said. The next one is super simple, but it works like a magic. If you ask your child to draw or write while sitting on chair, they might get bored. But if you stick few papers or a bigger sheet on wall and ask them to draw, they're gonna enjoy it. Be sure to not give paint or the permanent markers or markers, because it can get into wall and it will be hard to remove. So crayons, pencil, color pencils works wonder. And here you can see Nirvi doing creativity of drawing us, three of us, but in a very dramatic way. And she was saying like we are some different person from her cartoons she watches, but it is super fun. The next one is a very classic, which is a baking soda, vinegar experiment of making volcano. For this, you're gonna need some baking soda, any type of vinegar, and a container. I would recommend you to go ahead with the glass container. It is much more fun for your kids to watch, and also be sure to choose the area where kids can make mess. Bathtub, sink, these are the greatest spots. So for this, first ask your child to put some baking soda into the container, and then ask them to slowly add vinegar into it and to see the volcano coming into life. It's just a phase, but it is so much fun for kids to make a volcano like that. You can also add colors like food coloring. We tried with Crayola colors, but it was a complete fail. So be sure to do with the diluted color. Like you can also add haldi or different natural food colors. The next one is a classic coin sketching. So for this, you will have to stick some coins on the paper with the help of duct tape or whatever, and then on the other page your child has to just scratch and with a pencil and make the image. Sometimes it comes through, sometimes it doesn't, but it's super fun to do. And more than that, it's fun for them to bring all the coins out and put it back into the piggy bank. Anyways, moving on to next one. Okay, so this game is Find Something Witches, and it is a great way to practice writing letters and making spellings. Even if your child doesn't know how to make a spelling, it's fine. You can spell and they can write, okay? So for this, I am doing a sections over here, and I'm writing few things which she has to read, like she has to find. For example, according to the color and the texture. So I had written few things like blue, green, yellow, find something like that around the house, and she had to write either one or two or three, whatever she finds around the house or from the window if she sees any. So yeah, a child doesn't get bored with writing the letters, and it's a great practice. she took her own time in finding out what she wanted to write. She was confused with like what she should, because she found so many blue things, and she decided to go with a Walmart. And Walmart is like we pronounce as Walmart, but we write it WAL, so it was kind of hard to explain her, but she did it right, and I'm so proud of her. You can also do a twist with your child if they are very young. Instead of making them write, you can write for them on the paper. Just ask them if they can find few things which are blue, green, according to the color or the texture, whatever. It can be a really great practice, and they will enjoy for sure.
Blanket. Okay, let's write one thing. What one thing that you find something very soft? Blanket?
Yeah.
Okay, let's write blanket. Bla.
Okay, so the another one is about making lava. Again, I wish we had food coloring. I have ordered, but you can use any other natural food coloring if you want. But yeah, you'll need oil, baking soda, vinegar, and a water bottle or something like glass, something in which they can see things fizzing and becoming a lava. So first, you have to pour some oil. You can take less or more depending on how big is your container. Then ask your child to add vinegar. People use water and spray instead of that, but vinegar and baking soda works as fine as this. And then you ask your child to add slowly the baking soda and see it fizz. I again really wish we had some food coloring. It would have worked awesome. But anyways, whenever next time I'll make sure to add natural food coloring or food color, and I'll update you guys on that because it was so much fun. When it sits down, it looks like a water creature, you know. The next one is a smart kit. If your child loves doing art and craft just like Nirvi, then you're gonna love this box because it comes with 18 different activities, and in each craft pack, like they have divided each pack, so you don't have to worry. It comes with a booklet. Your child can see first which craft they want to do. You can pull out that craft bag and your child can do. Each craft bag comes with 2 different set, so if you have 2 kids, they both can do at the same time. It is super fun. The other thing that I want to mention is it comes with all the supplies, so you don't have to worry about like the googly eyes or the glue, or you're just gonna need this kit. And the other thing is it is in a very affordable price, so according to the price that you're paying for it, it's a good quality. I won't say like it is the super high quality, because we are paying a very affordable amount and it's amazing. You're gonna love it. I'm dropping a link in the description box. Be sure to give it a try because we loved it. Nirvi still enjoys it because we got it in India and she still does it over here, so be sure to check it out. Moving on to last one. For this, you're gonna need 2 large sheets, or you can take cardboard, whatever you have around, and with the help of a pencil and a scale, I'm drawing few shapes. Naturally, when I'm drawing, I only think about a house or a temple and the road and mountain, river, and all those stuff. So I'm just drawing a tree, temple, railway track, and a mountain over here. And with the help of tanagram and the blocks, I'm gonna be drawing the shapes over here, because at the end I'm gonna be giving tanagram and the blocks for Nirvi to find out the shape and make a particular design. This is how it looked at the end, and I had made sure that I'm only using the shapes which will be enough to make the particular design. So yeah, I had counted them and put it into a bin, so that's it. It's easy for her to pick it up, and she's not getting confused or irritated. But this activity definitely kills a lot of your child's time, so it is gonna be a patient work. Well, I'm sure you enjoyed this video, and if yes, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are trying any of these activity, be sure to click a picture and send me on Instagram. I would love to see those, and share it with your friends and family. If you think anyone have a kids around, they would love to watch. And also, if you're new, consider subscribing. I would love to have you over here. Thank you. Bye.